This is the VEWIOR True HEPA Air Purifier for large rooms. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual, and here is the unit itself. It's quite sizable. Like it said, it's meant for large rooms. In fact, this is meant for rooms up to 1,620 square feet. Let's take a better look at it right here. On top you have a series of buttons. There is a display over here. Power, speed, sleep, timer, auto mode, and lock mode. And if we turn it, we can come around back. There's a nice place where the cord can stick in there. Just take that out. Just plugs into a standard outlet. This will help you carry the unit, but this pops off. And same on the other side. It's just a little hard with one hand. There we are. And you must take out the filter over here out of this bag and put it back. While we have this out, let me give you a better look at it. This is a triple stage filtering system. Pre-filter, which is this white netting over it. The actual HEPA filter element itself, those are the vertical lines in there. It's a folded up piece of paper, accordion style like that. And on the back is activated carbon. And all three of those work in conjunction to purify the air. So we just slam that back in there, put the cover back on, and then we'll test it out. Due to the height of this unit and the work surface I have, my tripod actually does not go tall enough that you'd be able to see this. Anyway, let's go ahead and power it on by hitting the power button there. And you see we have a display here. Alright, so it shows fan right there. That's your speed. Okay. And it has dropped into the auto mode. And that's because we're viewing the PM 2.5 value. All you need to know about this number is the lower the number, the better the air quality. If the air in here got worse, it's going to speed the fan up until it has purified enough air that it satisfies the sensor, at which point it'll go back down. So it will vary the fan speed. If you had this in a kitchen and you were frying stuff, that number would go up and up and up, and you'd find this on high for a while, and sometime later or by the next morning or what have you, then it would go back down. Now you'll see the display blanked out. It does that just to save power and prevent light pollution. Just press any button there and it'll come back. Also, you see it has now sensed that the PM 2.5 value is a lot different, and it has automatically changed the fan speed. Now this is on low here, and it's very quiet. It's just really a whisper. Here's the second speed. You can hear it, it's not too bad. And this is the highest speed. That is certainly noticeable. Now, the trade-off here is at lower speeds, you get less effective purification. In other words, it can't move as much air, but you don't hear it. At higher speeds, you're going to hear it, but it's going to do a much better job. There's also a sleep mode where it'll go down to 22 decibels, and of course, black the display out like that. But we're going to just put it back and set it out of sleep mode. You also have a timer, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 12 hours, at which point after that time expires it would shut off. The auto mode, as we explained, is based on the PM 2.5 value there. As that number goes up, the fan speed will increase. As it goes down, as it purifies the air, it will lower the fan speed. And there also is a child lock, so we can press that and it says lock. And now you can try turning it off, you can try changing the speed, press any other button here, even press the lock button. It's totally locked up. Hold the lock button for a few seconds. it goes out, and now you're free to adjust speed and anything else you like. So definitely great for something like a living room or a den or a dining room, or maybe you have a large master bedroom. Would be perfect for that. The filters inside can be gotten online from VEWIOR directly, of course, and you can get that on Amazon or perhaps from their website as well. Filters will last approximately 3 to 6 months depending on how dirty the air is, at which point it will need to be replaced. So once again, this was the VEWIOR True HEPA Air Purifier for large rooms. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.